Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video we're doing something quite cool actually. We're off to go and check out a B29 crash site. It's just with about, is it just past Woodhead? Yeah, it's just past Woodhead, and we're going to be making a stop off at Holme Mount. Well, I'll let Warren explain that one to you. I always get that place wrong. Holme.
Oh, it's just top of the hill basically.
Is that what you called then? Holme. Alright. Yeah, hopefully there's not much wind up there because you get a very nice view from up there. But we'll be dropping down from here to Woodhead, through Woodhead to make his way to crash site. It's about an hour from here to crash site. And once we're done there, we're going to be making his way to Marsden's for some food, which is quite well known around these parts. Chicken place. Chicken food, I should say. And Warren's going to be the guide to Marsden's. Marsden's
chicken.
Marsden's chicken. So guys, see you back on the road. So guys, got to call off and get some fuel first. Warren ain't too happy, to be fair. He's just sparked his CB650R back up, and the exhaust pipe where they had fitted obviously kicked in engine management light on to begin with, to do it air and oxygen mixture and all that kind of thing, and it went off after a while, which is pretty normal, and it's just popped back on just before it's due to go to Paget's in Batley for a service. So I'd have thought they'd have been able to sort it for him at garage with machine, turn it off. It's only popped on just to do it bloody air mixture, like I say. Well, see what they say, huh? But yeah, guys, this place, we've been meaning to go to it for a while. It's a bit of a walk. I think there's a small car park nearby. It's about a 15-20 minute walk, but it always says stuff like that ends up being a bit longer every time. Something always goes wrong with us. But it's a 1948 crash B29 bomber, American. Have a look at that, and then we're going to be checking out the famous Marsden's Chicken Shop. Apparently the ultimate rival to KFC. A lot of people know it around Yorkshire area. I hate this junction. This is one of the worst junctions, especially in a car when you're blind. I mean, I don't know if you can tell if this camera does it much justice, but this is one nasty bend, this. Put me 360 on, that'd help. But yeah, that is one nasty junction. Everywhere you go in Huddersfield, it's hills. Get out of that quickly. Don't know which petrol station he's wanting to go to. I think he's trying to find Shell garage. I've actually just realised where we are. So I'm not, obviously I'm not from Huddersfield, Warren is. And just realised this junction here, there's a shop called Funky Vinyl. It deals with stickers and decaling and all that kind of thing. For, like, obviously stickering company vehicles, that type of thing. The CG125 what I've got, we did a bit of a restoration job on it. I had to have the graphics set reprinted because I couldn't get anywhere that were doing the original graphics. So Funky Vinyl's here reprinted a full graphic set for me. So obviously final stage on CG125 is to do all plastics up in vinyls and decals, but she did a really good job with them. So it's Funky Vinyls, guys. I'll put her up on screen. So if you've got any bike restoration projects and you're struggling to get stickers for it, There she is, funky vinyl in corner. She's good price as well. We're really happy with job what she made.
I knew you'd find me.
Can't miss you, just follow the scent of money. Follow the scent of money and it leads to Warren.
You want a drink? There was water.
Yeah mate, get us a little Crusader orange. Cheers pal.
Blue is the color of the ocean. Blue is the color of the sky. All my life there's been commotion. Calmness settles in your eyes. Sit right here next to me. There's nothing, no, there's nothing we should do. Sit right here next to me. There's nothing, no, there's nothing we should do. Close your eyes and see. It's all you need. Listen close, there's rhythm all around you. Hold it close, don't let it go away. Through the noise you'll find the peace within you. Find out it's the only thing you need. Sit right here next to me. There's nothing, no, there's nothing we should do. Sit right here next to me. There's nothing, no, there's nothing we should do. Close your eyes and see. It's all you need. Close your eyes and see. It's all you need. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La 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 da. It's all you need. Ooh, it's all you need. It's all you need. It's all you need.
So guys, this is Holme. A great view down here, some lovely roads. Yeah, like I was saying further back in video, last time we come here there was a fire exercise being practiced over there with helicopters, with water buckets, which were quite cool. You get a load of different stuff like that. There's a lot of exercises going up here for obviously more fires and stuff like that. Looks like we've got a guy further in distance trying to fly a plane. Definitely not going to be flying drone, it's really windy up here. How far's B29 crash site from here was?
How far's what, sorry?
That B29 crash site. I'll put it into sat nav. I don't think we're too far off it, to be honest.
You'll be fucking bump starting with that.
Oh, it's not too bad, guys. We're 25 minutes off. 25 minutes on obviously there's going to be a bit of a trail walk. That's not too bad. Oh, it's like there must be two crash sites nearby to each other. Oh, very good. It's in that B29 crash site, and then there were also Mark 1 L1476 at side of it, what crashed. Alright. Right, guys. We'll see you back on the road when we are going to attempt to go see this crash site. So we'll see you on the road. Sound? There'll be a sign for the other phone, won't
Yeah, he just said it. He said, "You're alright getting there." He said, "Some way back if you can't see Penang Way." I said, "I don't worry about it." He said, "If we get lost, we'll ring you boys."
there? Oh, so it's mountain rescue, isn't it? Yeah.
He said, "You won't, because it's not our patch. It'll be just up yours."
Yeah, guys, I've just spoke to Mountain Rescue, and this walk into exactly a local walk, offering us water for his journey. But trusty Warren. And his good buying skills at local petrol stations got us a drink a piece.
No, not me. A bottle of Diet Coke and a bottle of orange milkshake. Because you were slapping the I'll have to go get your own now.
Bloody hell. Cheers, Paul.
No, it's a 4 mile round trip.
Is that?
It takes 3 to 4 hours.
Aircraft wreck information.
Do you just want to go for a walk? Let these boys disappear and turn back.
Reckon they'll let us get bikes through? Yeah, we didn't plan this one, guys. I knew it was going to be a walk. Come on, well, we've committed now.
Yeah.
Yes, was there?
That's it. Push bikes would have been alright.
Yeah, but strap push bikes onto motorbikes.
Yep.
Yeah.
Tow one behind us. I think you might have missed turn off. Going up that track there.
Yeah, straight up.
Yeah. Something at the top of that hill, isn't there?
I reckon that's it, you know.
Yeah,
Yep, this is why you stick to the path, guys. Every single time we go somewhere, we have to do something awkward. Yeah, path, it's where water's cut it out. You've just said peat, compost things. I'm gonna end up losing a leg. Yeah, we should have brought dogs. Yeah, why not? I bet there would be, you know.
yeah. We find this way though, don't we, Daniel?
It's definitely in the way, this. Official way. I'm on about official way. This one took 4 hours round trip.
His bikes are still there.
Yeah. So we've parked bikes. There's another wreckage on the other side of the road.
You can't come all this way, not something.
No, I certainly can't. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's like the rope with stick in it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So guys, I made it to wreckage site. Oof. Must have hit some impact on it. What do you say?
That was a minute flight to do that.
So we finally made it to the crash site of the famous B29 American bomber, the Overexposed. This plane was originally used as a bomber but eventually adapted for reconnaissance flights and was part of the 16th Photographic Reconnaissance Squadron 91st Reconnaissance Group 311th Air Division in the Strategic Air Command of the United States Air Force. Unfortunately, on the 3rd of November 1948, during a daytime flight, the aircraft crashed, killing all 13 of the crew members on board. The cause of the crash was said to be low cloud cover. The crew started their descent believing they cleared the dangers of the hills and led them to fly directly into the higher shelf stones. For anyone who is looking to visit this place, I'll put your different options for the parking up on the screen now. All parking is free, but all parking areas is about an hour or 2 hour walk to the site. And just a bit of remembrance for the people that did die, I'll put up on the screen all the names now. We've made it back and don't really know about it. So what's his plans now was?
Well, no, it's up to you. Gonna go get chicken for some protein after your long walk.
Yeah, do some chicken, yeah? Marsden is it called?
Marstons.
Marstons, right guys? We're going to take us trip to Marston. We're going to stick to plan and go and get some chicken. Supposedly the competition against the KFC.
Suppose
Is it better than KFC?
yeah.
I've tried some. It's always been when my dad's brought it to like cold and shit. It's not.
Suppose I'll be because someone's forgotten the wallet.
Yeah, he likes to belittle me. He just forgets to tell everybody I'm homeless.
We cannot belittle yeah.
Right guys, we're gonna get all this unlocked and that and we'll see you back on the road. So guys, his original plan was to go to Marston's chicken, but we ended up changing those plans and going at KFC at Sheffield. Luckily enough, we got told that Marston's chicken was shut for a few days for renovation work, so it saved us a trip from going to Huddersfield. So we ended up changing his plans at this point.
Rainy days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, you were worth the wait. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Talk for hours and never slept. Two silhouettes on the concrete steps. We watched the sun as it slowly crept from the horizon to the place we met. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Best thing that I'll ever know.
So guys, we've had a last minute change of plan and we're going to get something to eat because Marsden's, Warren can say it. Marsden's is shut, so we've decided just to cut off through Sheffield and we're going to get a KFC instead. Next best thing. So we'll give Marsden's a review another time. Oh guys, I'll see you inside.
Just had to Google Ipswich Witches.
Ipswich Witcher? Yeah. What's that?
Motorcycle Speedway team.
What do you mean? Where?
Well,
oh yeah, when he's top of the season.
just seen Alas. Ipswich Witches as well.
Oh yeah.
I'll see what it is.
So guys, that was a quick bite at the KFC. Seems though Warren can't get the times right with Marston's, but yeah. Anyway guys, we're going to end the video here. So if you did enjoy the video, please give me a like and subscribe and follow for another video. See you later guys.